channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe video on how to make peanut butter cookies. These cookies taste great with tea or coffee, and they're really easy to make. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For these peanut butter cookies, we need all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, salt, sugar, butter, eggs, and peanut butter. To start, we're going to take 2.5 cups of flour, half of which is all-purpose flour and half whole wheat flour, and to this we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, to 2 cracked eggs, we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar and mix that in well, and then to that we're going to add in 1 cup of melted butter. Next, we're going to incrementally add in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and make sure that we continuously mix that until it is blended together. After the mixture has become uniform, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of chunky peanut butter. It is up to you which type of peanut butter you want to use, but I prefer to use a chunky one to get a little bit more of the peanut flavor. Also, my peanut butter is unsalted, so if you have salted peanut butter, make sure you skip on adding in the 1 teaspoon of salt. After that, I'm going to split the dough into round balls and put it onto a baking pan with wax paper on top. Once that is done, I'm going to use a fork and create a crisscross pattern onto the dough. I really love this recipe because, as you can see, it makes a whole bunch of cookies which last a really long time. Once you have finished prepping the cookies, you want to place it in the oven at a preheated temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. With that, this recipe comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is a quick and easy way to make delicious cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.